Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a proposal follow-up automation inside GoHighLevel so no potential client slips away just because the follow-up fell through. My name is Erin, and on this channel, we break down GoHighLevel in a way that actually makes sense. Let's get into it. Here's the truth. Most clients don't say no, they just go quiet. They get busy, forget to reply, and the deal slips through because nobody followed up in time. The fix is putting follow-up into a system. Once this automation is built, the moment a proposal goes out, your client automatically gets a 3-touch sequence. Day 0, day 2, day 5, without anyone on your team doing a thing. When they reply, it lands straight in your GoHighLevel inbox, ready to close. Today, we're setting up 3 things: your pipeline stage, your follow-up workflow, and your conversations inbox. If you want to follow along and GoHighLevel, the link below gets you an extended 30-day free trial, plus our full pre-built snapshot with hundreds of templates, automations, and coaching resources. And if you are already a GoHighLevel user, you can upgrade using our link below to unlock those same bonuses. Let's get into it. Okay, so once you're logged into your GoHighLevel account, we are going to opportunities on the left. Once you're inside, you're going to want to click on pipelines. Then we are going to click on create a pipeline. And so inside of the pipeline name, we are going to name it agency sales pipeline. Now we need to add our stages. So we are going to label stage 1 as new lead. So this is anyone who's shown interest, but you haven't spoken to yet. They just entered your world. Then for stage 2, I am going to put out discovery call booked. So this means they agree to get on a call with you. You haven't pitched anything yet, but you're just learning about their business. Step 3, we can leave it as proposal sent. So that means you had the call, it went well, and you sent them a proposal with your pricing and scope of work. So now you're just waiting on a decision. Then for stage 4, I'm going to type in negotiating. So this means they're interested, but they want to talk through the details, maybe the price, maybe the deliverables. You're in active back and forth. Then I'm going to click add stage, and then I'm going to add stage 5, which is closed won. So this means they signed, they're a client, move them here the moment the deal is done. Then I'm going to add another one for stage 6, and then I'm going to put closed lost. So this one means they said no or went cold and aren't coming back. You still want to track these so you can see what percentage of proposals actually close. That number tells you a lot about your sales process. The stage we care most about is proposal sent, which is stage 3. That is the stage that's going to fire our entire automation the moment a lead gets moved into it. So once all of your stages are good, you can click on create, and then your pipeline will essentially be created. Now in your left sidebar, we're going to click on automations. You're going to land on the workflows list page where all of your existing workflows live. You can see the name, status, and how many contacts are enrolled in each one. Instead of building this workflow manually step by step, we are going to use the build using AI button. This is honestly one of the most underrated features inside of GoHighLevel. Over here, you can describe what you want the workflow to do in plain language, and GoHighLevel builds it out for you. So you could go ahead and type this: when an opportunity is moved to the proposal send stage, immediately send an SMS saying, "Hey, first name, just wanted to make sure the proposal came through okay. Let me know if you have any questions or want to hop on a call real quick." Then wait 2 days and send a follow-up SMS checking in on their thoughts. Then wait 3 more days and send an email with the subject line "still thinking it over" with a friendly message that gives them an easy way to reply or push the timeline back. Then add a tag called proposal follow-up complete. And then all you do is click on submit. And there it is. The AI just built the entire workflow for you in like 30 seconds. They have triggers, delays, messages, tags, all of it. And you can see exactly how it's laid out. Trigger at the top fires when an opportunity moves into proposal sent. Then your day 0 SMS goes out immediately. We have our 2-day wait, day 2 SMS, our 3-day wait, and your day 5 email to close it out. The only thing left to do is go into each message and make it sound like you. And if you're not sure what to write, here's exactly what I'd put for each one. So for the day 0 SMS, I put hey and then the contact name in order to add a custom value, which is like the contact contact name, you just click on custom value and then you would just select their name. So you could type in name over here, that, and you could do either first name, last name, full name, whatever you choose. But I'm going to do hello contact name. I wanted to check if you received the proposal we sent. Please feel free to reach out if you have any questions or if you'd like to schedule a call to discuss further. And then I wanted to check if you received the proposal we sent. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or if you'd like to schedule a call to discuss further. Then you can save action. And then for the day 2 SMS, I put hey and then the contact's first name, just checking in on the proposal. Happy to answer any questions or adjust anything that doesn't feel right. What are your thoughts so far? Then for the day 5 email, my subject line says still thinking it over. And in the body, just say you wanted to follow up one more time, that you don't want it to fall through the cracks, and give them an easy out if the timing isn't right, but also a clear next step if they are ready to move forward. Keep it short, keep it human, and don't oversell. Once your messages are updated, hit the draft toggle in the top right and switch it to published. From that point on, every time a lead hits proposal sent, this whole sequence fires automatically. So I want to mention something. You'll see that there is an error flagged on this trigger, and that's just because the opportunity pipeline isn't linked yet. So before you hit publish, click into that trigger, and then we are going to make sure that the pipeline is selected. So we are going to do agency sales pipeline, save trigger. And once that is connected, the error clears and you are good to go. Now click conversations in your left sidebar. This is your team inbox. This is where every reply lands, texts, emails, all in one place. Right now it's empty because we just built the automation, but the moment a lead responds to any of your follow-up messages, it shows up right here in the unread tab. You respond directly from the screen, then go move them in your pipeline. No checking your phone, your email, and your CRM separately. It all lives here. One thing you want to go back and do is go back to your workflow, your proposal follow-up automation, and then you're going to click the purple sparkle on the left side. That's the workflow AI. And then you want to type in if the contact replies to any message, immediately stop the workflow and remove them from the sequence. Hit send, and then the AI adds it automatically. This is important because without it, someone can reply saying they're ready to move forward, and then 3 days later still get a still thinking it over email. That kills trust instantly. With it in place, the second someone replies, the automation stops and it becomes a real conversation. Now click contacts in your left sidebar. This is your client database. Every person your agency has ever talked to lives here as a contact record. Here's why this matters. Every time one of your automated messages go out, it gets logged automatically on that contact's record. Click into anyone's name and you'll see a full timeline. Every text sent, every email delivered, every reply received, it's all gonna be timestamped. You never have to wonder if someone got followed up with. The answer is right here. And remember that tag we added at the end of the workflow, proposal follow-up complete? That tag gets applied to every contact who goes through the full 3-step sequence. So at any point, you can filter your contacts by that tag and instantly see who's been through the follow-up and who hasn't. Think of it like a checklist that builds itself. The system tracks it all so you don't have to. So that is your full GoHighLevel proposal, follow-up automation, pipeline, stage trigger, 3-step SMS and email sequence built in 30 seconds with AI, conversations inbox to manage replies, and contact tracking to keep everything organized. You send the proposal, the system handles the follow-up, you just show up for the conversation. And of course, if you're not on GoHighLevel yet, use the link in the description below for an extended 30-day free trial. It includes our full pre-built snapshot, so you can skip a ton of setup. And if you are already a user, upgrade through our link to unlock those same bonuses on your existing account. Drop a comment if this video helped. I read every single one. I'm Erin from GoHighLevel Mastery. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.